In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Replit in 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to Replit or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, fire up your web browser and head over to Google. You can use any search engine of your choice, but for simplicity and ease, we'll stick with Google today. Once you're on the Google homepage, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Now, in the search bar, go ahead and type in Replit download. You should see a list of results pop up in no time, but don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We're going to look for a very specific link, so just focus on the results that directly relate to downloading Replit. Once you've entered your search, look out for a link that mentions the Replit desktop app. Click on that link, and it should direct you to the official Replit site where you can start the download process. If this is your first time downloading software, try and verify that the web address is correct to ensure a safe download. Confirm you're on the correct site by double-checking the URL, which should start with HTTPS. When you've got the web page open, you'll now see options for various operating systems. If you're using a Mac, look for and click on the button that says Download for Mac. This will start the download for the Mac installation file, and all you need to do is follow the usual installation process for Mac applications once the download completes. For all those Windows users, you'll want to click on Download for Windows. Same as with the Mac download. Once it's complete, simply run the installation file and follow the on-screen prompts, which are usually quite straightforward. For the Linux users out there, you haven't been forgotten. There will be an option available that says Download for Linux. Go ahead and click that. As with the other two operating systems, the download will begin immediately. The installation may require a bit of extra know-how, but generally, Replit provides clear instructions tailored for different Linux distributions. Just follow along according to your specific system's requirements. Lastly, for the Windows users, if you missed the first opportunity, don't worry. There's usually a secondary prompt or link on most pages that say, Download for Windows again, so feel free to give that another go. And that wraps up our session for today. You've just learned how to navigate the download process for Replit, whether using Mac, Windows, or Linux. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to ensure you're downloading from the official site to keep your system safe and secure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.